Did you know many Santan Valley drivers miss a simple way to replace cracked windshields at no cost? Arizona law offers a little-known benefit called full glass coverage. It could save you hundreds, or even the entire cost. No deductible needed. Imagine driving down desert highways, dodging debris, when suddenly a rock cracks your windshield. Usual stress and high repair costs hit hard, right? But here's the surprising truth. You might qualify for a free replacement. If your auto insurance includes this coverage, you can get your windshield replaced completely free. Just check your policy. Look for full glass coverage to unlock this benefit. Where others pay $500, you make one call, pay $0. The Arizona sunlight glints on your new windshield as relief replaces your worry. Don't pay for damage twice. Discover if your policy covers windshield damage fully, then drive on with confidence. Protect your drive with a simple check.